Welcome to another ecosports edition of ecopenny. This time I'm going to do the first part of the bridle track again with a group, so it's more fun. I've got my Banoffee Pie porridge breakfast again, it's beautiful. I've got the Apollo mountain bike ready on the car. And it's a nice sunny day, should be a top of about 20 degrees Celsius, so better get going.
We're on our way from Bathurst up the Bridle Track. Going to head 15 kilometres to Howard's Bridge and then turn around and come back. That's the first hill of the day done. It's the first hill done. Do you guys want a quick break or you're right to keep going? Yeah. So if you need any breaks on the way, just let me know. Letting the rail cut the wind back. Not that it's much of a headwind.
And this is the hill you walked up?
Yeah.
That you'll be doing the same.
Probably. Although last time I rode from home to start, I should have more energy this time. So this is the fun bit, it's downhill for this section. So good doing the descents. So you got to enjoy these descents. Makes it slugging up those hills worth it. So good. Beautiful day today. So this is bridge number 1, not the destination yet. Got about 3 k's to go. Oh, it's taken about an hour to get to Howard's Bridge, which is really good timing. Made it to the turnaround point. Good bike standing there. So there's quite a bit of water still. Had a bit of rain in recent weeks.
Yeah. Right. Oh, you want to stand, have you? No.
Everyone's got to have a go now.
Perfect. So you're leading the way.
We've had a nice morning tea near the river, so time to head back. Bit of off-roading here to get down to the river. Returning to the Bridle Track. So on our return trip now, it's mostly uphill, so might walk for the first little bit. starting the 15-kilometre journey back to the starting point. It's going to take longer because there's more uphill. It's nice going downhill and you hit the hill again, it's like, oh.
You almost stop. But the gear's right, isn't it? Not going down too quickly.
Just perfect scenery and perfect weather today. So we're just going to take it nice and easy back to the start because there's a lot of uphill going back the other way. Enjoying the scenery as we go. Because this is a public road, we've got our high-vis gear on and lights on just to be extra visible for the cars. We're keeping to the left side of the road, out of their way. Nice green grass from the recent rains. The last few years have been drought in Australia here, so it's good to get some green back. Back across the little bridge. A nice letterbox and seat there. Scenery still magic today. I was admiring their handiwork.
Probably some people stay, this is a bus stop.
Yeah, it could be.
And they probably, this is the kids wait for the bus here or something. Yeah, so there's the property down there probably.
Nice fence decoration there. Back on the road again. It helps a little bit on the steeper sections, just a zigzag. A little bit makes it just a fraction easier going up. So we're up to the really steep 2k section. It's beautiful coming downhill, but now we've got to make it uphill for the next 2k, so I'll have a break for a few minutes. So I call this the no skateboarding section because there's a sign saying no skateboarding. Because it'd be too dangerous, it's so steep. So I think we'll have lunch at the top of this hill, get a nice break, then we'll just have a few kilometres after that to get back to the cars. Back down to first gear, chugging along. Oh, it's nice, the little waterfall still flowing. That's the waterfall I was talking about.
So,
Might be a creek coming down into here or something.
yeah, I wonder how clean the water is.
Yeah, I wouldn't drink it.
No, it runs through people's property.
Yeah. Oh, 6 k's an hour, chugging up the hill in first gear. Just got to keep going. There'll be lunch at the top of this hill. That's what I've got to look forward to. So hopefully another 500 metres and that's it. Almost there, just got to keep going. Oh, made it to the top of the no skateboarding section. It's 1 o'clock, time for lunch. We made it. Yeah, I had a few breaks, but I rode the whole way up.
Rode the whole way up. So
Oh.
a little bit more to go, but not too bad.
But a good spot for lunch here, I think.
Yeah.
There's a Durham and a sign. We're getting close. I can see the end up ahead. I said to Nicole, is it canola or just weeds?
What, sorry? Yeah, that'd be great. Just in front of the sign here.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
When you're done with yours, Laura, I think you'll give me a hand putting this.
Yeah, I can.
Yep.
Get in there. Your water bottle, please.